Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm coming at you from a weird angle. I realized that the intro that I filmed for this video did not end up coming through or did not end up working out. It just looked really, really bad. And I was like, I cannot go on camera looking how I look. But anyways, I just wanted to start this video by saying today we are doing a luxury townhouse tour in Atlanta. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to purchase, buy a home, or do I want to rent? Because rent out here in Atlanta has skyrocketed up so much. So let's just say an apartment that was $1,500 a year ago is now at like $1,900. I think they said that there was like a 20% inflation. But anyways, I'm going to go look at a luxury apartment today. And then also, after looking at the luxury apartment, I'm going to go stop at a cute little spot right by, not luxury apartment, I'm sorry you guys, luxury townhouse. But after going and viewing this townhouse, I'm going to go stop at this cute little area right, like maybe a minute or two down from the townhouse and go and get something to eat. I went with a friend of mine and yeah, so come along if you're interested in checking out a luxury townhouse in Atlanta or just want to see what I went to go take a look at, then continue watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. All right, let's go ahead and get started.
Back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Pretty brown girl, her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way.
They do.
Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to your like the sound. Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. Keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Can a nigga catch a break? Better way. Oh,
it is city with more of a homier feeling. This is a cute bathroom too. I like how it's tall, it goes all the way up. Yeah. is at. Got cute little seating. A wine bar over there. Cute little seating.